Hey, welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we're going to take a look at the new Samsung washer that can eliminate 99% of bacteria on the drum. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The Samsung WF45 series washer has many great features. One that stands out is the self-cleaning feature. Over years, bacteria can grow inside your washer and around your washer tub. This can result in odours on your freshly washed laundry. But the new self-clean technology eliminates 99% of bacteria that can form inside the washer drum, practically eliminating this problem. Other features of this unit is the large capacity 4.5 cubic foot drum. This means that you can wash more items in a single load, leaving you more time and less loads of laundry. It also comes with a quiet washing feature called VTR+. This reduces noise and vibration for quiet washing at any hours of the night. If you want to do laundry quickly with the super speed advanced cleaning setting, you can wash a full load of clothes in 30 minutes without sacrificing any cleaning performance. The power steam feature lets you gently remove stains without any time-consuming pre-treatments. To keep the longevity of your clothes and garments, this washer also comes with the swirl and drum interior. The drum pattern extracts more water quickly during the rinse cycle and prevents fabrics from snagging during the wash cycle. This washer is also easier to use for everyone. With the use of the Samsung riser, your washer or dryer can be compliant with the American Disabilities Act, making loading and unloading much easier for everyone. With all these exciting features, this unit can be purchased for around $700 to $900. Such value! New technology will always break, and this is where ApplianceVideo.com has you covered. ApplianceVideo.com has a complete video series on how to repair all the common parts and diagnose them on this washer. Check out the link in the description below. And if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.